See the gorillas? Do you see the big gorillas? You see the gorillas? How many are there? Two? What do gorillas say? What do they say? Ooh, that's right. Are they cute gorillas? Are they big, big gorillas? Do they live in the trees? Yeah.
And you know that see that gorilla?
What do they do? What do they do? Do they eat monkeys? No. Do they eat bananas? Do gorillas eat bananas? They don't? What do they eat? What do they eat? Do they eat bananas? Does Quinny eat bananas? No. Does Daddy eat bananas? Yeah. Does Mommy eats bananas too? Yeah. But does Quinny eat bananas? No. What do the gorillas say, my friend? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Should we go get a better view? Okay. All right. Say bye-bye.